Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Cefu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Cefu Keith here, and today our video comes from a Wing Chun training program. It's a tutorial on Jut Sao, moving from self-defense through pre-contact drills and more. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes, click a like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Really simple, from a grab. Grab. All right, so with the grab, if you want to break the grip, remember, so you got large intestine 4, which is right here. Everybody good? Right here? It's not a death-defying pressure point, but it's good for release. So we're going to do something really simple. We're going to start from flat neutral. We're going to deal with that hand in a little while. I just want you to work your jut. So when I'm using my jut, I'm flicking my pinky up, and I'm driving into this line. All right? I'm driving into this line. You all got that? Now, you know if somebody grabs you, they're going to throw the other hand and punch, but let's work one piece at a time, okay? Nice and simple. I want you to jut and hit from there. Nice and simple. Jut, hit from there. So your Jut Sao's here. Jut Sao. Jut Sao. Okay? Nice and simple. You sure? All right, one more time. Comes in, jut, come right back up. One hand, okay? You guys want to put a little something on this one? You can get somebody with a pad. If you don't want to put it on, it doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is, in the internal arts, this is really a big area. You'll see a lot of body shots to come in because if you hit down, it'll create one action. If you hit up, it'll take another reaction. So especially see the long fist styles, they tend to come down or they tend to hook up and then they come straight in. This is a good area for destruction. That's why a lot of the armor here is generally plated or layered, all right, because this is a very vital area to strike. So you'll see a lot of things, especially in Shinyu, where they come in to destroy this area. All right, even boxes, you're going to low throw your low shot and then come back up over the top. We're okay with that. Lead hand Jut Sao, we're going to take the same thing. He's going to step in and throw that shot. You're going to take your Jut Sao. For right now, we're just going to jut, bounce up and hit. All right, so watch. I'm going to step off the line with the jut, take my shot. So the jut almost occupies like a Bong Sao. The only thing I want you to be weary of right now, slow. Take this hand, keep it up. Because you know, as sure as God made little green apples, that shot's going to come. It's rare somebody just throws one, whether he doubles up or he throws the other hand. So make sure your Wu Sao is up. So one more time, stepping off the line, the Jut Sao, and then fire off of that like a Bong Sao. Okay, so I'm really springing off. One hand, getting used to this. Because some of you have kids, some of you have grandkids. Some of you have spouses or people you really like. Now, if you don't like them, then just throw them in front. But if you have somebody you like, love, or you're caring for, right? One hand, whether you keep moving, Harry, coloring your kid, right? So make sure, if you don't have somebody that you need to guide, keep your Wu Sao up, okay? You all right with that? So one more time, step off the line, jut, and come right back in. So if you want to hold up a focus mitt for your partner, if not, just do it in the air. It's off the short hand. All right, so if he comes off the short hand, it's the same thing. You're still working it the same way. Right? Switch. Again, throws it off the short hand. But this is what becomes one of the key rules. Touch one hand, look at the other, because you know he's going to set you up. Right? So I just want you to take a couple minutes, right? And take it off one hand or the other hand, right? It doesn't matter. I just want you to get used to moving. Right? So what do we do here? I key in where? On this lead elbow. So we're not worried about feet, so you don't need much peripheral vision here. But I key in that lead elbow, so you should be able to see not just this. You should be able to see that backhand too, right? You're okay with that? So I can still pick all this up. It's the same way, okay? So I focus on the lead elbow. My peripheral should be able to see both arms, all right? Play with that just a little bit, and they'll change up. So I told you keep your Wu Sao up, right? So if he shoots that shot, I could just use my Wu Sao, right? You all good with that? So from here, I can come from here 1 and 2 and step off the line. You okay with that? So you all know Wu Sao. Just keep it up, but watch what I'm doing. When he throws that, look what I'm doing. I'm stepping off the line. All right, so here I'm moving to my right, punch again, and I'm moving to my right again. I'm 2 half steps to the right. All right, so you all remember those basic drills we did? Half step, half step, half step, okay? So you can do it with a jut and just use the Wu Sao, and all I'm doing is stepping off. Or you guys who know Bong Sao, you can try this too. I can do a Jut Sao and then a Bong Sao, right? So from here, a Jut Sao, Bong Sao, and hit. All right, so here, Jut Sao, Bong Sao, and hit. Or Jut Sao. Here's the Wu Sao, right? You all know it, and still him down, right? Keep your Wu up. Just step off the line and double tap him. All right? Either one's good. Go to work, go to work, go.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.